Jordan Brand highlights holiday 2025 with a strong lineup of Air Jordan 11s, but the main focus shifts to the kids-only Jordan 11 sneaker school. Designed with black leather uppers and a textured mudguard, the sneaker stands out with a playful yet edgy vibe. Its glow-in-the-dark outsole makes the pair eye-catching day or night, while a Barely Volt Jumpman sits above sharp, claw-like heel accents for bold character. The mix of black, Barely Volt, dark Raisin, and white draws comparisons to the Joker, yet the shoe establishes its own unique narrative. Available in GS, PS, and TD sizes, it reflects Jordan Brand's focus on creativity and storytelling in kids' sneakers. Arriving between October and December 2025, the sneaker school elevates the Air Jordan 11 legacy by merging heritage with imagination, positioning it as one of the season's most anticipated children's exclusives.